We are pleased to show you the 2010 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, towing package, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, braking assist, speed control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.